almost $18,000 in my very first
This was yesterday, actually.
Changing people's lives and
$2,700 worth of commissions.
Within 9 days, TikTok sent me over $15,000.
Faceless content creator community is exploding on TikTok Shop Affiliate, and they are making a ton of money while they're doing it. Here's an example. This one creator generated $44,320 in the last 7 days as a TikTok Shop affiliate with a 35-second long AI generated video. They didn't show their face, they didn't use their own voice, and yet they were able to bring in this much revenue. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through by far the easiest, most slapped on way to create automatic videos to promote TikTok Shop products without showing your face, without using your voice. And yes, this will not make you tens of thousands of dollars, but it is the simplest, quickest and compliant ways to get videos done within TikTok. And the best part is you don't need to get any tools. TikTok offers this built into their own platform. If that sounds good, come close but not too close, and let's get into the source. My name is Victor and welcome to Create-A-Bug, where we help you create content, ditch your 9 to 5 and live the life that you want. It's one weird question from me. I am a coffee man. Do you prefer coffee or do you prefer tea? Comment down below so I can check how many people are similar to me. These are faceless videos. You don't show your face, you don't use your voice. In some cases there doesn't even need to be a voice in the video. This is the quickest way to churn videos out, especially at the beginning if you're not entirely sure which products or which niche you want to go into just yet, so you can test the waters and see where you land. And the crazy thing is, people actually interact with these videos and they actually purchase products as well. I've shown you in my previous videos, I've actually made money using these videos, even though they're not the highest quality videos. And what have you got to lose? People don't know that this is you. This is just on a TikTok Shop account. So really, you've got nothing to lose. So this method involves, if you go into any one of these products here, so I am going to select one of the best sellers here. This is a FS Greens Daily Greens Superfood Powder. Now if you click on where it's got commission, where it says earn £2.55 on each product sold, free sample, as you can see there, there's an option to create auto-generated video. This means the shop is allowing people to create these auto-generated videos. You don't see this on every product, but 96% of the products that I've seen, shops are absolutely fine. They don't care as long as they get the sale, whereas some are a little bit fussy because these videos are not generally high quality and they don't want their products to be represented by videos like this. But in this instance, we're going to assume that the shop has allowed this to happen. By the way, this is a really good method because this is compliant with TikTok. This is their own platform that you're using to generate the video, and it's all about the product as well. So they can't turn around and say you haven't got the product. You are using their auto-generated system to create these videos, which are all about the product that is being sold. I've generated hundreds of these types of videos, and not one has come back with a violation from TikTok. You click on create auto generated video, and as you can see, it's come up now with a page where you can just work out what information is going to be displayed in this video. And I'm going to show you the completed video towards the end. It's giving you some copy there. It's got a product pitch, it's got some selling points, it's got an add call to action sticker. Now I always leave the add call to action sticker on. It's a bit distracting, to be honest. It's a little bit big, but I don't really care. I don't care about the quality of the video. I don't have a lot of time. I just want to get the video out, so I leave that on because it does its job. At the end of the day, it points to where the person needs to click on the video in order to purchase the product. So the selling points: we've got free shipping, cash on delivery, price discount, bestseller, top rated. Now you can select all of them to be mentioned in the videos, but you just have to keep in mind with some shops, they don't offer all these options. Some shops will not offer free shipping, for example. Some shops will not offer cash on delivery. Some shops will not offer a price discount, at least at the time of you generating this video. So just keep that in mind. You can select all of them, but it is a bit risky because when the person actually clicks on the basket to purchase the product, they might actually find that there's no price discount in there, or there's no free shipping, which is not really going to look good on you or look good on TikTok. So just be mindful when you do that, and just remember the information that is displayed on the product here, whether they do offer those things or not. Now, the good thing about this as well, which I've not mentioned earlier, if you're not happy with the initial bit of copy under the product pitch there, all you do is just go back and it's going to regenerate the copy for you. So every time you click auto generated video, it's going to change. Sometimes it doesn't, but you know, it's just really good to know as well. And also where it's got 120 characters over above 100, you want to make sure that your characters in there don't exceed 100, otherwise it won't let you go to the next stage. So what I usually do is just delete some of this information here and just leave what's really important. So mango FS greens, daily greens, superfood powder, natural mango flavor, 30 servings, under 25.50. So I'll remove the hurry ends tomorrow because I don't really need it for this. There you go. So that's now gone down to 97 characters. That's good enough for me to progress to the next stage. As you can see, that at the bottom has now changed to red, meaning that we can click it to generate the video. Now, another really cool part about this method of creating videos, a bit further down, it's got edit product images. So if you did have some extra images you wanted to add, if you had, for example, AI generated images or actual images of people holding the product in their hand, you can save those on your phone from, you know, Amazon or somewhere else, and then you can upload them onto this video so they are displayed within the video as well. In this instance, we don't have any of those images. We're going to assume the shop does all of these things here, cash on delivery, price discount, bestseller, top rated. We're going to leave the call to action sticker on as well. Again, it's a bit ugly, but it does its job. And then we're going to go generate video. So it's compositing now, it's creating the video. In a second, it's going to come up with some different options that I can select from. And out of those options, I will choose the video that I want to go ahead with. Nearly there. There we go. So we've now got... It was taking a little too long to generate that video. So I have gone and taken another random example, which is a women's clothing item. I think it's like a jacket, coat thing, and I have generated that video. And really the purpose of this was to show you guys what the completed video looks like. As I mentioned earlier, it's not the highest quality video. I'm not going to play the audio because it could be copyrighted music, but this example here is a video that's got 4,800 views. It's been up for a couple of weeks. Nothing to shout and scream about, nothing to celebrate about. But on TikTok Shop, if you've got a 4,800 view video, chances are it would have made you a sale or two. And yeah, again, as you can see, nothing to really, you know, write home about, shout and scream about, but it's a simple video. It's got a very clear call to action that's pointing to the description. You can't see the description because I've exported this video out, but that is where the link would be, where people would click to purchase the product, and that is where the description will be. Normally, as you can see, there's people that have interacted with this video, as horrible as it is, because people are interested in what the video is about rather than the quality of the video itself, especially when it comes to TikTok Shop affiliate. And I hope you guys can see what I mean about how quick it is to generate these types of videos. And I hope you can see as well how easy and hands-off it is, because you can literally do that while you're doing something else. A few clicks of a button, you're helping your child with homework, you're playing a game, some, you know, Xbox or whatever, or you're cleaning, doing some other chore. It's very, very hands-off, and within a short period of time, you can generate a huge amount of videos by doing this, which then allows you to figure out and zone in on which products work the most and focus on those. And maybe if you then start another account, and maybe an account where you're a bit more involved, you already have some data on what works and what doesn't work, and you will have generated a little bit of money as well. Just to show you an example of these little videos that, you know, are rubbish in terms of how much money they can generate. So if we look at my account, this is something that I've tested out myself way last year at some point. I'm just going to filter my earnings from September up until December, and they may not look like a lot, but considering how little effort you put in making these videos, you know, just getting anything out of them is just crazy. And the fact that people actually click on those links and purchase products using these crappy looking videos is insane as well. So if I filter that, and if we look, £68.38 between September and December last year, and this is again sporadic uploading. This is not you know, some like everyday daily uploading. It's just every now and then, and this is what the potential is for TikTok Shop. Even with the worst looking videos, you can still get in there and make yourself a little bit of extra cash for yourself, for your kids, or whatever you're doing for a holiday that you're planning. So the potential is there, and I just wanted to show you guys that. I hope you found that video helpful, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.